So Padlet is one of the tools which I use it to interact with the presenter and the audience while giving and sharing the ideas and sharing the content to the virtual billet, while the participant will be uploading, will be organizing and sharing the content, like the reaction or like answering questions, whereby the presenter will be interpreting their findings or their uploads on the shared platform. Today, I'm going to show you how the Padlet works. Then, by opening and by showing you how the Padlet works. When you're working with Padlet, you first open it in a just open it as usual. By opening it, you come to write Padlet, then with Padlet.com. Then after Padlet.com, those are different Padlets I have already formed. And those Padlets that I have already formed, all of them means I can make the new one as a presenter that I will share to the public, which will have here in the comment. Let me state that you come here, make Padlet, but when you want to join, you go to join the Padlet. For example, let me come back. Like here, when you join a Padlet, means you are among the participants. When you are among the participants, you join a Padlet. Means that Padlet will be given a link to which you enter in so that you can join. So to make a Padlet means that when you are a presenter, then that presenter will make a Padlet which will be shared to the users. Here, first of all, you have to share your Padlet will appear how? It will appear as like this. When means you have the different Padlets, we have them here. So you have to make your blank. Means blank, you have to start your own Padlet. If you are about to start your own Padlet, it comes like this, in this angle like this. You see it because I already informed that, because I have already signed in, I am used with it, my name is already there. But when my name is not there, this means that you see those different Padlets I have already formed, so I can remove them so that I can continue with this one when I am showing you how the Padlet works. This is when you want to upload what to present to your audience. But before presenting, there is the customization of your Padlet and the different activities that your Padlet will look like. So for example, I want my Padlet means how the answer will come will look like in Canva method, or how they will be appearing. So after this, I can't upload some questions before customizing or before playing on settings. When I come on settings, first of all, I am to heading. Heading is about title. I write title here. So what is surprising, what I'm writing here, it will appear here as my Padlet is. You see here, I say, let me write as usual. This is chemistry of electrons. No, let me first write, yes, of electrons. This is it. Then I'm done. You see it is written here. Then after I add description. And the description, I am going to comment about my title. Then means what I talk about, mass. This is about electrons, neutrons, then protons and electronic configuration. Means I'm describing my Padlet, to which chemistry of electrons is there, whereby I will deal with mass, electrons, neutrons, protons, and electronic configuration. Then I'm done. You see what am I writing here? That's customization. It is appearing on this. Then after, I have to deal with icon. The icon I'm talking about is the one which you present, because your icon represent the course or the subject you are dealing with. Let me suppose let me write scar. Then let me suppose, for example, let me use this one as a sign that will represent my Padlet. Then it's saved there. Then after, I come to the color. You see the color that's appearing on wallpaper is the same color like this one. So I have to customize it. I can change. I can make this one. You see it is changing as I'm changing it. It's color like this. Whatever you want is coming from there. Then I write stuff. Then after, I can't make it dark. I make it right. Because if you make it dark, means it doesn't appear in right way. It is best to make it. The font is how what writing do you want your Padlet will look like. For example, I can write like that. You see whatever I'm writing is changing in this font, like this one, like this one. You see this is about changing the different font of how my Padlet will look like. The format I've selected the Canva, you remember in the beginning, but I can select Word, I can select whatever which will be given like that. The post size is a standard, not wide. It means if I talk about wide, those are the big characters which cannot even fit on that. The, the format, you have the word. I say I have selected it. Then group post action. When about group post action, I have to say yes. When the I have to see the different section. When one section give, I have to see what different sections are giving. Then I can allow them to add either drag and drop, that is taking and putting the date published to be given, so everything will be given there. Comment now. That's when a participant can comment to the comment of another participant. Let me allow it. He can also have a reaction on it by thumbing up or by liking or what, vote like this, then or thumbing up or vote like that. So because this means if for example I can take if Valentine is giving an idea, I can thumb up like this or I can like, then it is given on that. Then after have to moderate. In moderation, this is then when you give the comment or you have positive feedback, is it, am I the one, the organizer of the Padlet, am I going to allow it to be posted, or it is the auto means as you write it is directly given. Let me make it auto. So because I want whoever give comment will be shifted or will be given on my Padlet. Then after all customer or have been given, I go to content. Then in the content content I'll post it in. I think we talked about whatever content is. Then after all have been set, then I have to add the content. So first of all, I can write the subject of what I want to add. Let me add them in the form of questions. We have two ways of posting something. Either you can upload it from your computer, like me, I have just prepared some questions. Let me even post them like this. Then it's here. Let me open. Then yes, open like this. Being read means this is my document that I have already posted. Then what I do, I have to publish. When I publish, this means this is the first section which about the question is. Means my Padlet will display all. This is for the first section. I can add even some question to the second section. If I add some question to the second section, the first section is about those are about questions. This is this section I can delete it. Then I have section 2. Whoever you are doing, or let me bring it back. Okay, now I can add other what I've said some questions. Then I can write for it. That was the first case. For the second case, I can write, for example, some questions here. What is the electronic configuration in general. This is about the definition. This is about question number 1. Means what is the isotopes? Question number 3. Give the isotopes of oxygen. Number 4. Enumerate the component of an atom. It's about writing different equations which will be used or published to the audience. Then after, so let me read like this. You can post when you want to take a photo of what you want to post on. This is about when you want to upload to select on such image somewhere, and so on. Those different activities when you are uploading a given questions to this. Then I can publish. Then my questions are there now. If my questions are there, how the audience will see, then I can come here. Then if I come to this, I can, you see, I can open the post, open post new tab, copy link to post. Let me start from here. If you copy the link, this means you have to give the link to the emails that you have selected to be the users of the Padlet. But also the second method of publishing, you see, you start the slideshow from this post. Then you can mean this is about displaying the different questions that the audience will directly see them and have different reactions. Then the one who is going to join a Padlet, you already given a link. To that link you copied, you given to them. While you're joining a Padlet, he enters that link and he sees these questions. This was about Padlet, which is an interactive method whereby this tool can be used in teaching and learning. Thank you very much. Thank you for the invitation. We'll meet next.